My name is Omar Abdallah. I've been with FlairsTech for the last 6 years. Started up as an application support engineer, ending up as a technical teams lead, where I'm leading right now 17 people in my team, which are actually amazing. What kept me in the company for so long is the amount of support that I've always received from either people or the departments. Everyone is very helpful. The environment itself is so friendly and humane, which is one of the most important things in any company, is to treat you as a human being, not as just an employee in the company. Since I came here, the company evolved tremendously, actually. I would say in 2018 when I joined, we were around 300 employees. Right now, we've actually grown over 1,000. Over the past couple of years, I've tried to do my best, with myself and with my teams. I always try to give them as much as I can, listen to them. If there is something that I can do from my end or the company, never hesitate to do so. And that's actually the hardest part, to think of your people, not of yourself. I was able to mentor my employees in different occasions, either pushing them. Sometimes you have to push someone to go to the next step. They might not find the potential inside of them. You might sometimes need to, take them to the next step and start working on it with them. Show them what are their strengths points, what are their weak points, and give them the help needed. Also, we have a lot of team buildings. We do a lot of team buildings, not just the team, like either the leads, the managers, team members. Sometimes we go out together. Also, to add to that, on the roof, we sometimes play football, we play ping pong. Just, stay on the roof, watch the live. It's sometimes a place to, take a rest from the work that we're doing. To add to that, actually, we have the office in Gona. We actually go there a lot of times with the team, like several times a year. I would say 2 to 3 times, where we work there, spend a lot of time there, go to the beach. So it's bonding and working at the same time. One piece of advice that I would actually give anyone here that's looking forward to grow in FlairsTech: do your best. Never expect anything in return, okay? Always work with the team. Never wait for something from someone. With things like that, in an environment like this, okay, you're gonna grow massively. And actually, I've experienced that myself, okay, becoming a team's lead. It actually came to me because all the things that I've been doing for the past couple of years, not because I was waiting for the position itself. So that's why I recommend do your best and you'll be successful here in FlairsTech.